Now what's up, people? Today we're going to be making some Russian dressing. First we're going to get some onions, some paprika, some Worcestershire sauce, some hot sauce, in this case it's Cholula, some ketchup, some horseradish, some salt, mayonnaise, and let's get started. First things first, we're going to crush up this onion with the mortar and pestle. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, just chop it up fine. Try to save all the juices that come out of the onion while you're chopping it up. Add our mayonnaise. Gonna add our horseradish. Gonna add our ketchup. So you might be asking yourself, what is the difference between Russian dressing and Thousand Island? And it's basically Thousand Island is sweeter, Russian dressing is a little bit spicier. Thousand Island has things in it like pickles and whatnot. Russian dressing doesn't. It has horseradish. We're gonna add our paprika, our Worcestershire sauce, gonna add our hot sauce here. I like Cholula. You can use whatever type of hot sauce you want. And a couple pinches of salt. And then you're going to go ahead and mix it up. Now you're going to be asking yourself, well, Curtis, what kind of things do I use Russian dressing on? And mainly Reuben sandwiches. That's why I was making this stuff. After I tasted it, I decided that it was one of the best fry sauces ever. I also had on some burgers. It tasted really good. And to be honest, for my Reuben sandwiches before, I always just used Thousand Island dressing, but I decided to make the Russian dressing for the video that I'm about to edit tomorrow. And it was just far superior than the Thousand Island, as far as I'm concerned. If you're going to make yourself some Reubens, don't even waste your time getting the Thousand Island dressing. Just make this Russian dressing. When you're done, dip some fries in it, and then smash that like button. Share this video. Enjoy Dank Foods. Have a good day.